Bo, 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 ba, ba, ba.
That works.
Wait a minute. Did that just... Wait.
What?
Can I, like, do this? No. Okay. Just a little bit of testing.
Are you trying to throw my guys off?
What? No. That would be the last thing that I would do.
That's curious.
But I do have multiple lists of what I'm going to do.
On the murder list, it's the first thing.
Sure, we'll say that. Okay, are you willing to go up to the roof?
I can fly. Gale can teleport.
Okay, then I need you to go to the tippy top and steal a couple things. Okay, there's a bird's nest up on the top. I need you to go and steal a little weapon that's there so we can finish this little puzzle.
Put him up.
How do I get up there?
That is for you to know only.
What to do?
That does not help me get there.
Something good here, I hope.
I believe in you. You know why? Because I always forget how to get up there.
Time for some bloody work.
Destroy crumbling wall. It's immune to slashing. Fuck. It's highly resistant to piercing, but I don't deal piercing damage. I deal force damage!
Time to
This bow is weird. I was about to do the, like, party teleport thing, but then I remembered we just split up. So nice. Oh wait, going through here will give me XP.
I think they know how to get to the roof.
Alright, I already got 2 of the 4 items. However, the last one is the one that you need to get. Since one of the 4
If you could
items-
tell me how, that'd be really sweet. Really cool of you.
I'm sorry, but I always forget how. So you will just know the where.
Alright, then where?
Up! The roof. Oh, here it is.
What?
The way up to the roof. Oh no.
Then teleport me over there.
Okay. Let me just, oh, okay. Yep.
The intruder! In my nest! This area was meant to be safe!
I am not an
Get behind
intruder. Can I go back? Perfect, I got enough. I'm gonna go this
Teleport
way.
me to you.
Hold on, I gotta find a safe place to do it. There we go. Bam! Okay, so if you look to your side, there is way more than just, well, than just what there used to be. But we need that ceremonial warhammer.
What side?
Seriously?
There's a bunch of giant bald eagles.
Yeah, and then a bunch of harpies that weren't usually there. Alright, go ahead, Gale, and start us off with a good old fireball.
Hold up a second. Yeah, clearly do something before I do that. Face, does he not have the spell?
Who, Gale?
Looks to be a powerful weapon.
No, I'm trying to look for a specific spell.
I wonder if it was used on the Githyanki nearby.
I mean, if you want, I can just activate the star myself.
No. I'm trying to find a spell so we don't have to murder them all instantly so we can get the advantage.
Okay.
Already got something wild shape. Let me fully prepare.
I'm pretty sure
I
you
mean,
don't
we
have
could
to
go
fully
turn-based mode.
prepare.
I could cast haste on everyone.
Alright, just shoot a fireball and then we'll get started. Firestorm.
Oh, of course it's. Yeah, just a second. I'm casting haste on Gale.
Just shoot a damn fireball.
If this does not go well, I'm blaming it directly on you.
We don't need that much prep time. They're just birds. Good job. Now we can get started. Cracks knuckles, cracks hands, cracks bones. Nice. What was that? But did you just do a
I
wild
basically
thing?
get. Let's see. Whenever I cast a
Ooh.
first level spell or higher, I heal everyone around me.
Nice.
Per spell slot level. As if I cast a third level spell, I can heal y'all like 15 HP. Just for free.
Yay!
Screw it, I'm gonna make it so Torvis can fly.
Go from here.
Haste me up, baby!
Light on my feet.
Huh?
I got hasted. Yo, I knocked him prone because of the fucking rock. Damn, that was fucking powerful. Well, now that I've done that... Is that all of them? Yeah, it's all of them. Die! God damn. Everything has gaping wounds. Cleave! Wabam! Oh my god. I just gave this dude insanity. Every
Yes,
time.
that's something you can do.
Yeah, I'm reading it. Jesus Christ.
I mean, I once managed to get 25 stacks of insanity on someone in like 2 turns.
Everybody's got insanity. I can use another attack. I forgot I could. That's where I
Yippee,
say
yippee.
you can die, and you can die. Everybody here can go to hell.
For me, one of the dead eagles is still flying.
Ah. Oh well.
Can you feel death's cold grip?
Can you do your magic and like have a Asterion take all of the blood out of them, then end your turn?
Bruh, that's not how Asterion works. I wish it was, but it's not.
This way.
He's a bloodbender.
Man, I hope I don't slip.
I'm gonna make sure to cast Grease the next time I can to make sure he slips a lot.
No! Why would you do that, man? That sounds like...
I'm going to cover one room entirely in Grease.
No!
Actually, we really need to do that. Just cover a room in Grease, then use like explosive barrels.
You have no idea how sexual you're making it sound.
What? I
Oh
think I
my
don't
God.
realize that because it's not.
Maybe you don't realize it because you haven't been on the other side of the internet.
I feel like I've been on many sides of the internet.
Sorry, I just got bored of you talking about Greece. I wanted to try and shock the Grease out of you.
Now that's sounding weird. Also, I cocooned the eagle.
Yeah. Doesn't really
And I
look
now
like a
webbed.
cocoon.
I now enwebbed all of them also.
Yeah. Yippee. Woo.
I'm now going to cast Grease and then make it go boom.
Dude, I don't know what you're trying to achieve with Greaves. It's not gonna do much.
Fire.
Yeah, but like, it won't like hurt them that much. And it'll hurt us, so...
Fire. You can heal us. You have your bat, unlike the last time I said that.
Yeah, so you better be careful.
I'm gonna make sure to eat that bat.
What the fuck, man?
I'm going to make COVID 1620.
You wanna get COVID again?
I'm going to make it so this world has to suffer through COVID 1620 by eating that vampire bat.
Die, you fiend! You motherfucker! Die! I think I did 50 damage. You son of a bitch. Eat the giant eagle. Yum. Now cast.
Cast death. Cast powered kill.
I'll cast something that makes it easier for us to hit him. Font of Decay. Wait, you also in-webbed Melody?
Everyone's. Who the heck is oh, my harpy.
Yeah, you're a harpy.
Yeah, guess what? What's his name? Arachnus Mage or whatever his name is also. Maybe want to get a Asterion out of the way.
No, I didn't. The fuck? Also, I can't get a
Crushing
out of the way.
Blight. Caca. I'm the only bird that gets to be here.
Fleet of foot.
Yeah, that's just evil, man. Can't believe you. Man, if only they weren't webbed, I could just fucking hurl them off of this place.
No, that's
What is that?
too nice. No, that's too nice.
You know how much damage fall damage does, right?
A lot.
Yeah! Way more than us.
They will die near
idiots can
instantly. We need to make sure they don't die instantly.
do. I may not be a monster like you, but I sure like getting the job done.
You're inefficient.
Inefficient? What?
True efficiency comes from pure violence. Make
That's just
Char
wrong
look
on
merciful.
all the wrong levels.
Make Char look merciful.
No. Did you just fog? Alright, let's search
You think
all
you get to
these,
choose when wild magic happens?
No, I would actually not think that
What
because
can I do for you?
it's literally called wild magic.
Yes. Thank you for noticing.
Why did you...
Anyways, let's go.
What's in here?
Why don't Mia just fly down there? And then teleport y'all?
Sure.
I'm just gonna rub salt in the wound and be